Hello everyone and welcome to a new game that I play, and it's called Slime Rancher. People have been doing it on YouTube, so I'm like, okay, I should do it. I just got it last night, and I played for the tutorial, but then I went a little overboard, and yeah. So so it's Slime Rancher. Like I got new. Oh wait, why can't I? Oh yeah, my sound's down. Duh. There we go. See, I got the crystal slimes. I've been saving up my old onions. I don't care what they're called. And I've been just doing this for quite a while. I've been getting money. Okay, let me turn the sound down because I can barely hear myself. Right there. So, I use this exploit slash glitch, if you want to call it like that, where you plant like a food. Here, let me put these. You plant some guardians, in this case, odd onions, and then you pick them up, like I am doing right now. Okay, and then you store your what you want to store, and then you just feed your things, and then you go jump without anything in your inventory. You go jump out in the not lake, lake over there, or sea, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, you just jump in the water over here, and it will reset the day, which will also regrow the plants and make your slimes hungry. And then wait, I thought I had no. And then it will just give you lots of money. So yeah. Right now, what we are trying to do, what I'm trying to do, is trying to get this cave. The cave right here. So I need, how much do I need? I need 1,795. And I want to try doing the infinite chicken glitch, if people know what that is. And I got slime puddles. But I can't figure out how to make these guys poop, because they haven't been pooping lately. That sounds weird, but who cares? And I know the odd onions give excuse me, the crystals double of the food, but I'm trying to save it until I get my two things filled with crystal things over there. So I'm just feeding carrots, and then saving up my odd onions for like a really big money count. See how they're not grown yet? All I do is jump. I want to go jump in the lake. Yahoo! Dab. And then it says you've been knocked out. Power core mark 2. Oh yeah, I need that. And then it grows food. See? And then you just keep on doing this for a very long time. I keep on doing this. This is like my 30th time. So yeah. Wait, no. Oh. Yes, I made it. What the? Wow. They already grew. How is that possible? Whatever. Which will then these things make hungry, and then I feed them and stuff. I know how many I have in there. I was gonna whatever. I'm just gonna feed them all. Feed my. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to where the crystal people are and get a bunch more, so I can have more money. Yeah, I know. Shut up. You know, you can talk.
I know. Hi, what's up,
Yeah, my
peoples?
friend's right there playing a weird game.
I'm playing Roblox in high school. 'Cause I'm
Yeah,
bored.
that one game, the first ever video I posted on my channel.
Yeah, I'm just playing it because I'm really, really freaking bored.
Yeah, sadly, this game isn't two-player. I wish it
Yeah,
was.
they should add like a two-player mode thing.
Yeah,
You know what I'm talking about.
yeah.
I'm an idiot.
So I don't remember exactly where they are, but I know they're by the Rad City. Rad Slime City. You got nothing good. Rooster. I need roosters. I don't need you. I just killed a baby chicken. I feel bad now. Hello, Toad. Or fat person. However you wanna fix it or call him, I guess. Okay, so I know they're in this area somewhere for here. I want. Why don't the slimes? Oh yeah, they're over here. I remember now. I was checking out, and then saw these little steps right there, and then I saw this cave. Okay, and then I'm like, oh, what is this? And then I'm like, I went, and then when I got right here, I saw those crystals. I'm like, oh, I know what this means. And then I'm like, oh, yes, I found the slime crystals. And then I've been collecting. Hey, no, 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 run, 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 run. That chicken is gonna get eaten. I haven't explored in here yet. Why is that? It's just. I'll save you. I will save you. I will save you, Pink Slime, from these mean people. I haven't explored up here lately, so I'm gonna go do that. I haven't gone past this area. I'm gonna get a bunch of crystal slimes. Pink. Oh. 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 Okay. I need a heal. I need a heal. What's up here? Is this just a way out? Let me check. Yeah, it is. It's just another way out, bro. Get out of my way, you fat slime. I will save you. I'm gonna get like 40. Woo! Here you go. Air drive? What is air drive? Oh, it's just another jetpack. Ooh, plorts. Yes. Lava plorts. Uh, eh. There's way too many uh, slimes in here. I just got rid of my plort for some reason. I'm so lonely. There you go. Oh, don't you dare. There you go. I'm a good person. I help. You want out? I have to let my dog out. Oh, my friend's dog. Not my dog. I wish it was my dog, but it's not. Exploding. I can't find any more. Oh, there's some. I think. Oh no, wait. No. Never mind. What is this? Wait. Crystals for a little project of mine. Okay. I don't see any more crystal slimes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go. Ooh, yay! See, take, they poop out plorts here, but not in the other pond. Let me get some water. There we go. Run, 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 run. Screw you guys. Okay, okay, so that dude's there. I already did the phosphorus stone deed. I think, yeah, that's how I got that one. How I got this door open up there. Okay, so, I thought that said H. So I need the pink slime, which will eat anything, so that's good. How do I, okay. I need the crystal rock dude, which is, I just passed. The tabby slime, I know where that is, but I don't know. It takes meat, I think. Yeah, tabby likes meat, and why am I going backwards? So yeah. So I'm gonna do the pink with carrots since I have a crap ton. After I put the rooster in its cage and my crystals and pond and stuff. There you go. Here's friends. Am I gonna make it? Ready? No. Aha! I made it. So how much? Yeah. I want to do it with red slimes, but this is the most out of the things wait, I haven't collected... I haven't collected a rad slime before, but it's glitched, and apparently... Sorry. So yeah, I want the fire people, these things, or that, because I will be... Or this. Mostly that, though. This, I have collected one of them before, but that was a very long time. Okay. Oh, wait, yeah. Am I gonna make it? Yeah. People. They don't bounce up and hit the net and it all escape. They're probably gonna do that. So I need Julie, do I have music in there? Yeah. That decreases the jump. That's a neat way to get rid of spikes. Okay. Darn. I need to upgrade this once, which will cut me back. So I can store carrots. Okay. Oh wait, I can fill my pond back up. Okay. I don't know why these people... I know they're sad because they don't have... They have the things across their faces, but I don't know how to feed them. I thought they just pooped on their own. Which was supposed to what they were supposed to do. No, you don't have to feed them. They feed on their own. See, look. After Slime Ranch, Slime's Pond, Diet Water. You don't have to feed them. Oh, should have said water right here, but yeah, I've tried that before, but okay. Yay, carrots.
Wait, try feeding carrots.
I have.
I didn't do that. So wait, is this already?
Okay, I'm just gonna take 40 and then feed them 10 and then take this other 10 and then go to the pink slime, which I have no clue how to get to, but I have seen him before over there. I believe over there somewhere. Pink slimes. I wish I can feed them pink slimes. Wait, I should take... Alright, that's carrots, okay. See, yeah, he's right there. Oh, okay, so you drop down right here. Hopefully this gives me a key, because I need a key. Here you go, you fat person. Yeah, a key. And a bunch of slime people. Good, that one died. I don't like slimes. Pink slimes, at least. What are these? Can I harvest these? No. Hey, there's a thing crate over here. Okay, so what do we get out of that? We got 2 crates and a bunch of slimes. I know that I have 3, but... What am I going to get? Hey, get... Don't you dare. No! Stay back from my chicken. Just the chicken, not the things. Anything else? Oh, I need that. Heartbeat. Heartbeats are good. Actually, no, I don't, because I can just go get more. Hey, you want this? No. Here you go. The question is, how do I get back? This way? Yes, this way. Okay. Now I can start feeding my other slimes and open another door, which is good. Actually, no, I'm not going to open a door. I'm going to go to the rock slime. I think they... Let me find a rock slime. Actually, no, I can just look at my Wikipedia. So I think I need a bunch of slime Wikipedia thing. Slime... Yeah, slime Wikipedia. It's now what it's called. So I think I can just use chickens. I'm not gonna use I'm not gonna use the roosters because those are rare. Poop! I made you for a reason, and you're so adorable. Hey, let me look at my Slimepedia. So the rock slime is veggies. Okay, veggies. So I can feed carrots. Actually, let me go check. Let me. Oh wait, I only have 7. Darn. Okay, let me. I know. Let me see what he favorites most. Heart. Ah, dang it. I got rid of a heartbeat. Okay, who cares? I need to feed these guys, so I'm gonna feed them this. Here you go, you fat people. So yeah, I'm gonna get a bunch of things. Dude! Hunter. I mean,
Same thing. No, it's not actually. Alright, so
it's a lot.
that's weird. I said that for no reason. Not the same thing.
Well, I just made my goal of getting to 179.5 for that thing. For the cave. So I can do a phosphorus stone glitch. Oh yeah, if you guys don't know what the infinite glitch, chicken glitch is. It's basically where you basically lag or overload the game with chickens, and then they spew out everywhere. It's like, what am I doing? It's like way up there and stuff. And then basically they all die besides one chicken, and then that chicken, if you touch him, holy crap, all like a bunch of chickens come out of him. It's really cool. I've done it a few times. Okay. Well, after I do this and grab the thing, I'm gonna end the video here after I buy this, and I will start a new one after this one's posted. Purchase. Ooh, let's check it out. Oh, so cool. Oh. So there's 1, 2, 3, 5. There's 5 things. Okay. My name is LogiBear123. And this is my friend, Pugman. Go like and subscribe. And subscribe to both our channels if you like Slime Rancher. And if you have it, I will not play with you because this isn't a two-player game. I'll see you next time in like an hour. Bye.